Good girl. Hey kids, Top from Big Top Outdoors here. Today we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna try some camping. And I got a little companion with me. That's Leila. She's my pride and joy. Good girl. Keep coming. We're out at a friend's property in beautiful Rome, Georgia. And we're gonna come out here and set up our tent. I'm coming down to check out the campsite, cook some dinner. Yeah, this will work out perfect. So this is the clearing in which we'll camp out. This is what they call the ninja course. So the kids built some stuff here. Leila, I think you just peed where we're gonna set up our tent. So, fun times. All right, we'll get set up. In setting up my tent and being out here, I forgot to start filming. I've got a Coleman 8-man tent. It's the Weathermaster with a hinged door. So it's one that we've had as a family for years. And you might wonder why I need a big 8-man tent. Well, the answer is it'll be myself, the wonderful Leila here, and Chubby will be joining us in a little bit. So just trying to make sure I've got enough room. And when you're 6'6" and your son is 6'2" and you want to spread out a bit, I almost brought our 6-man tent, but that would have been a little too cramped. You want some water? You want a drink? Let's get you. So sometimes when I have trouble driving in the thin little stakes that come with it, I bought a pair of these off of Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll list it. Comes with this hammer, which makes it very convenient to be able to drive them into particularly rocky, rough ground like I'm at now. So I tried to put it in with my foot and just step on the previous ones, but it started to bend them. So these are solid steel that won't bend. So much easier to drive these into the ground. This hammer comes with a hook on it that I can hook and pull these out of the ground. Of course, right when I try to set the camera up on her, she hears something out in the woods. Come back, sweetie. Good girl.
Leila, come.
So, unfortunately, I was a knucklehead and put it on backwards, so the door's on that side, which has poles for it, but we'll use the back door for now. So this is your typical Coleman cot that we have for Chubs. So you can get these at Walmart. They're super nice, super convenient. They pop up. First time I've ever had a spring come out. Real simple cot. I like that one, but the one downfall with this is it has a weight limit, I believe, of 200 or 220. I'm a big fella, so I exceed the weight limit. So this cot here is made by King Camp. I am 6'6", so 78 inches. This is 80 inches. The problem with that one over there, I believe that it is 74 inches or 72. So either way, I hang off of that one. So I went ahead and ordered this one. This will be my third time using it. I used it the other day, as a matter of fact, when we went and visited a friend. I have to admit, I didn't have the most comfortable night's sleep on it, but I think that was my own fault. I'll try to rectify that for this camp out. What ended up happening was I had the air mattress filled up too much, and so when I tossed and turned, it just wasn't very comfortable on shoulders and back. So I'm not going to air it up as much this time, and I have to admit, my wife did say it was rather noisy when I would toss and turn. So know that if you, but I think that's more the air mattress than the cot itself. But and there are two poles here, one and one and one. It's fairly intuitive. There's a gap here at the end. What you doing, sweet pea? Yeah, what you doing? You thirsty? Why don't you go get a drink of water? Alright. Now that this is put in there, you just feed the end of it back in on itself in this little pouch, and then that doesn't come out. And you just repeat it on the other side. This is where the legs come in. I always start in the middle. The way this works is these fold in on themselves. They fold up like this, and you unfold it, and then when you lock it in place, you just twist that. So it does take a little bit of force. First time I was setting it up, I felt like I was going to break it. So that side clips in, and then you fold this side till it clips in as well, and then you push it in on itself until you can get that to turn. Now, again, I feel like I'm gonna break it, but everybody online says that's normal. So, one down, 4 to go. So, and it's got these nice straps for the air mattress. By Sea to Summit. Again, one of my reasons I got it is because it extends to 80 inches. So it's long enough for my big body. So I also do love the fact that they have this handle on the outside. So once I peel it down, it slides right off. So Sea to Summit does a great job with this air mattress. Again, nice thing is it comes with a patch kit, which is phenomenal. It is self-inflating, but I like to assist it. I've got this great flex tail pump. Now it does have this magnetic pillow lock, which is also very, very nice. I do have a inflatable pillow. I just brought my pillow from home because I'm a fan of it. Chubby's gonna test the new inflatable for us. Gotta make sure that my baby is taken care of, so we'll put her bed together as well. It's better for her arthritis. She's old. She's 12 years old. She'll be 13 in just sometime about a month and a half, 2 months. Leila, come here. Come get your bed. Yeah. You're a good girl. You're just too excited to be outside. Come here. What's this food? Yeah. Are you not feeling good? Get a drink. Go ahead, eat your food. Go ahead. So Chubby will be sleeping on the Hikencher pillow. This is the ultralight pillow. Nice thing I like about it is it's got this cover on it that is machine washable. So you can take this off and wash it, and then the bladder's on the inside. I didn't fill it up all the way because if you do it, obviously it's too tough, but just enough where your head it has a little give. So I'll have a link for all of these things in the description box below. But can't recommend these things enough. He'll be the first one. Now I've laid on it in the house, but I've not actually done a night's sleep with it. There we go. That's nice and level. So let's collect some firewood. This is the agua, how do you pronounce it, agua? But this is the Boreal 21. This is probably the best bow saw on the market. Got this off Amazon. I'll go ahead and list this. Great saw for cutting firewood. So here's a tour. There's Chubby's cot, Leila's food, Leila's bed, all the camp gear in the tub, and there's my bed with our little backpack cooler with drinks and snacks. So in here, and this is one of the reasons why I like it, because again, I'm 6'6", so 78 inches, which is 198 centimeters. So I'm nearly 2 meters tall, and I can stand up in here. So normally I'd show you a fire starter and whatnot, but we were in a hurry and just ran out the door. So I just grabbed a tissue box and the box that we made from preheated dinner. So in our solo stove, this works well. Again, I just start some cardboard, throw on some kindling, and away we go. For dinner, normally on a camp out like this, I'd fix something here and I'd show you what it is, but right before I left, we made some red beans and rice and cooked up some kielbasa sausage. So that's what I've got for dinner tonight. It's lukewarm, but I don't need much. Sitting here next to the fire, just keeping the bugs away. On a positive note, one of the main reasons that I'm camping tonight is it's supposed to get down to the mid 50s, 54, 55 degrees. So it'll be nice and cool. That's the best time to camp, is when it's cool. Chubby just called, he's on his way up, so we'll see him in about 45-50 minutes in my time.
You see it constantly, don't you? When the new kids launch, pictures every...
Chubby's here.
Yes.
I don't know if you can even see him. So, I see what I was doing. I had the camera backwards.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. I am watching you like record yourself.
I'm just looking at the wrong screen. So Chubby just arrived.
Yeah.
He was spending time with his girlfriend's family and working, and Leila's just enjoying being outside. She likes nature. Every once in a while she'll hear something and start to wander off, and I have to call her back. But she's a good girl. Don't mess with her. We don't need to encourage her anymore. Fire's slowly burning out. It's almost 9 o'clock. Mosquitoes, actually, funny enough, weren't too bad, but I'll probably find out in the morning that I was eaten alive, so we'll find out pretty soon. You can probably see a few of the gnats buzzing around. We might let this burn down a little bit more, let the fire burn down a little bit more, and then probably just jump in our beds and watch videos. We left the rain fly off. I don't know if you can see that. No rain fly. It's not supposed to rain tonight. However, in Georgia, the problem is we get so much dew and so much humidity that it could be a bad decision.
We'll find out.
We'll find out in the morning. We'll talk to you in a little bit when we get in bed. This is why we bring an 8-man tent for the 3 of us, including the puppers here. The puppers here has decided that she wanted to lay on my nice wool blanket that I will be covering up with later. But, you know, she is the princess. So even though her bed is right there, brought from home so that she'd be nice and comfy, she wants to be, I think, close to me on the wool blanket. Chubby's way over there in his bed, already bundled up even though it's 70 degrees.
I'm preparing for the morning when it drops 20 degrees.
Yeah, but that's the morning. Like right now,
that'll happen overnight while I'm sleeping.
It's too warm. We're gonna watch some videos and then probably call it for the evening. So we have a dilemma in the morning. So you will either see us make some chicken apple sausages for breakfast, or I also noticed that we're only about 10 minutes from BUC-EE'S. So we might, as the hat says, BUC-EE'S, we might run to BUC-EE'S for some breakfast burritos. either way, we'll see you in the morning.
Good morning. It's about 6:45. It's 55 degrees, which is very cold for this time of year. One problem with bringing a dog with you that is not used to this, it's an indoor dog. She gruffed and barked at everything all night long. Maybe not our smartest move, but I know she's out there enjoying exploring right now. So we'll pack up camp and then probably gonna grab some breakfast burritos.
It's about 10 minutes to 8. We're on our way to BUC-EE'S. We're gonna grab some breakfast burritos and head home. I hope you enjoyed that. We enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. It was an experience with Layla. She'll be very, very happy to be home in her own surroundings very soon. But she's down there laying down in the back. Thank you again. Hope you appreciate that and enjoy it. Something that we just wanted to try. We'll do another one in a few weeks, and we'll plan out and do some meals and do some campfire meals and stuff too. So appreciate you. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye. All right, to put this in context, this place is dead. There's nobody here. Chubby with the Bucky.
Me and Bucky are good friends.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Yeah, I repeat, normally when we come, this place is absolutely packed. You come at 8 o'clock in the morning and it is dead, dead, dead. So I guess it's just through traffic in the afternoons.